When you hear the words affordable and inexpensive drones, the first thing that comes to mind is something that is small and low in quality. Today I'm going to show you the contrary. A lot of cheap drones nowadays are equipped with some advanced features that you don't expect. The point of using a drone is to make great aerial videos and stills, but the question is, how will you do that if you don't know how to use one? The inexpensive drones are a great way for inexperienced pilots to learn how to control the drone before they decide to invest in larger and more advanced drones. Today I am here to show you some of the best cheap drones that you can buy right now. Number 1. DJI Mavic Mini. The Mavic Mini comes with a 5.8 GHz controller whose design is similar to your standard DJI controller. Although it is stripped of some features, the controller for the Mini is equipped with a relatively high-power 2600 mAh battery. You can probably fly this drone with just the dedicated controller if you really wanted to, but to properly experience the beauty of this drone, we recommend you equip your controller with a smartphone. The controller has a dedicated smartphone cable, which helps reduce any latency you might experience otherwise. Although the controller might seem a bit plasticky and flimsy, once you get the hang of it, it offers very reliable connectivity, and it can also stream HD video at an insane range of 4 kilometers. The DJI app is also really well done, it's really easy to use and makes the flying experience much smoother. The Li-ion 2S 2400 mAh battery allows for an impressive 30 minutes of flight time, which is a 4 to 7 minutes more than most drones of this price range. The Mavic Mini also boasts a top speed of 26 mph. The Mini's camera is located on the front, equipped with a 3-axis gimbal and a 1/2.3-inch sensor. The camera shoots 2.7K Quad HD resolution at 30 frames per second, 1080p HD videos at 60 frames per second, or 12MP still shots. Unfortunately, no 4K, and you should also avoid low-light areas. The cam can't capture raw images. The drone also offers an FPV mode as well as a follow me function, and need I remind you the whopping 4 km HD video live stream range. It's overall a very well-performing drone, jam-packed with useful, non-gimmicky features. The only thing missing is a 4K camera and object tracking, however, for a drone of this price range that might be too unreasonable. Number 2. Holy Stone HS720 Foldable GPS Drone. The controller that is used for this drone is small and will lay in your hand correctly. It has a small LCD screen in the middle that will let you see your battery level for both drone and controller, how far away is your drone, your current speed, and GPS data. The controller comes with a smartphone attachment that can't hold tablets. It needs 2 AA batteries for operating that are not included in the package. Let's talk about motors. This drone is equipped with 4 powerful brushless motors that provide your drone with powerful thrust and speed. Even on the lowest speed level, this drone moves in high speed, so be careful if you are a beginner. Under each rotor arm, you will find LED lights that are not bright enough to ensure a safe night flight, but that's where the 2 bright lights located on the belly of the drone come in handy. This drone is packed up with a 2800 mAh LiPo battery that will ensure incredible 26 minutes of flight time, which is way longer than usual. But there is a downside: this battery type needs hours to be fully charged. So to avoid any complications, I recommend you buy several backup batteries, and you will not need to wait for hours to go back to flying. This drone has a great 2K FHD camera, 2048 by 1152, with a lens that has a 110 degrees FOV angle that allows you to take a high-detail images, as well as 1/3 CMOS sensor that will improve image clarity. The camera can be rotated up or down for 90 degrees using a remote controller. Prepare to make some fantastic overhead photos with this guy. This drone uses 5G transmission technology, which will allow you to live stream your videos from a maximum distance of 800 m in optimal conditions. The FPV distance is around 600 to 700 m, which is amazing for the drone in this price range. Number 3. Altair AA108 Camera Drone. This model comes with 2 lithium polymer batteries that will provide you the 15 to 20 minutes of flight. But the great thing about this drone is that when the battery reaches the low level, the drone will start beeping to alert you, which is not the case with most other models that will only indicate the low battery level by blinking lights on the drone. To control the drone, you can use the controller or the smartphone. You need to download the Flying C app to be able to control the drone from your phone. You will find the one-step takeoff and landing button for more comfortable managing. This button also can serve as an emergency shutdown button. Just press it a bit longer, and the motors will immediately shut down. The drone has 3 speed modes that you can switch through on your controller. The first mode is handy for beginners and kids. The second, mid-level mode, is excellent for the intermediate-level pilots who just learned the basics. And the third mode is advanced speed mode that will allow you to try some FPV racing or doing some aerial tricks. The drone is equipped with a built-in HD 720p camera. This is great for flying the drone in FPV mode. The images and videos from it will be on par with expectations, nothing to brag about. Unfortunately, you can't angle or rotate the camera, but with the 120-degree camera angle, you will still cover the significant field of view. With the lack of GPS mode, the stability of this drone is not so good. The flight range is within 100 meters, and you can only use the FVP feature in the field of 40 to 50 meters from you. The camera is compatible with VR goggles as well.